I tested 10 home gadgets for you. The results will shock you. Did you know that the average return rate for smart home gadgets ranges from about 25% to 35%? Think about what that means for a second. For every 10 smart home gadgets sold, 1 out of every 3 is returned. Some retailers, like Amazon, report significantly higher return rates, especially for electronics for holiday purchases. Close to 40%. What causes these high return numbers? Research shows 3 key issues: dissatisfaction with performance, size and fit issues, and preference for higher than expected functionality. Hello and welcome back to the Know Before You Buy channel. As you know, there's a ton of hype around smart home tech devices, but do they actually live up to the promises? Well, that's what we're here to find out. So today, we're doing something big. We're taking 10 of the most popular home gadgets and putting them through their paces. We're talking everything from smart speakers and robot vacuums to smart lighting and smart plugs. We've spent weeks testing, talking to users, reading reviews, and sometimes wrestling with these gadgets, all to bring you the ultimate guide. We looked at performance, usability, value for money, and durability. We agreed that the best gadgets would have exceptional performance, a user-friendly design, and excellent value for its price. Conversely, we considered any gadget that struggled with basic functions, poor battery life, and disappointing usability, and was overpriced with limited features and unreliable performance. Now, we all know that gadget reviews can be tricky. Too often, they're overly positive, focusing only on the good stuff and ignoring the downsides. Influencer partnerships and selective highlighting can also skew reviews, making it hard to get an honest opinion. There's just so much out there, often with conflicting opinions. It's hard to know who to trust. And outdated reviews are a real problem in the fast-paced tech world. So how do you make smart buying decisions? Subscribe to our channel. We will always provide trustworthy reviews that are unbiased. Also, hit the notification bell to get notifications when we upload. Finally, if you want a cheat sheet of these smart home gadgets we are reviewing, like this video, and in the comment section type 10 smart home gadgets review, and I will share the cheat sheet. Okay, let's dive in. First up is the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. Features include Alexa voice control, a built-in speaker, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It has a compact design and is compatible with other smart devices in your home. Pros include affordability, excellent voice recognition, and the fact that it integrates really well with various smart home devices. Other pros we noticed include good sound quality for its size, and the fact that Amazon provides regular software updates, as well as new features. The downside? The absence of a 3.5mm audio jack, which limits wired audio output options. Additionally, its sound quality may lack depth due to a mono channel and a limited frequency range. Audiophiles might want something with more oomph. It needs Wi-Fi to work, which means limited functionality without the internet. Privacy is also an issue to consider with any always listening device. The personal experience of many of the users was that they appreciated its ease of use and seamless integration with smart home ecosystems, making daily tasks more manageable. Overall, it is a great entry point to the smart home world. Next, we discuss the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This kitchen workhorse is a game changer. Its features include pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice and sauté pan steamer, yogurt maker, and warmer. It does it all. The pot comes with multiple cooking programs, a stainless inner pot, and a 6-quart capacity, making meal prep a breeze anytime. This means you will save time when cooking and reduce the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. We noticed that while it significantly reduces cooking time for various dishes, the pot itself takes time to reach pressure before cooking begins, which can extend overall meal prep time. Some models, like the Express Pot, lacked features like a manual pressure button, which may limit cooking flexibility for certain recipes. There is a slight learning curve, especially for unaccustomed users, and it does take up counter space, but the time it saves is invaluable. A must-have for busy households. Users loved how it simplifies meal prep and cooking, making it a kitchen essential for many households. For home security on a budget, the Wyze Cam V3 is a winner. It features an impressive 1080p HD video quality, color night vision, a handy two-way audio, motion and sound detection, and free cloud storage options, which is a thoughtful bonus, though some features require a paid subscription. The Wyze Cam V3 is quite affordable compared to other security cameras, easy to install and set up, and supports both indoor and outdoor use. Connectivity can be a bit finicky for some users, including notification latency, where alerts can take around 15 seconds to arrive. It also does not support Apple HomeKit, which may be a drawback for users in that ecosystem. Additionally, some features require a subscription for full access, which can be a downside for budget-conscious consumers. Lastly, while it has good video quality, there may be occasional bugs, especially in newer versions like the Wyze Cam V3 Pro. The fact that there is no local storage option is disappointing. Still, many reviewers praise the value for money and the quality of video and audio, making it a go-to for home security. Who doesn't love a robot vacuum? The iRobot Roomba 694 is a solid performer. It features smart navigation technology, Wi-Fi connectivity, and supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. It has a great auto-adjust cleaning head, good suction, and can detect dirtier areas for deeper cleaning. We like the fact that you can control it from your phone. Because of its great features, the iRobot Roomba 694 is convenient and time-saving. You can even schedule options like when to clean via the app, and its compact design allows it to fit snugly under most furniture in your home. However, what we noticed is that it can get stuck on rugs sometimes. The noise level can be considered loud, and the battery life might decrease over time. It does not have a carrying handle, which is useful for transport. Some users reported poor performance on certain surface types, especially regarding debris pickup, despite its automatic surface detection feature. Finally, it commands a higher price tag compared to its non-smart vacuum competitors. Users find the convenience factor undeniable. It is a great way to keep your floors clean effortlessly. They agree that it is liberating to have a vacuum that does the work for them, especially the pet owners and busy families. Set the mood with the Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance smart bulbs. Features include millions of colors, all 16 million. The bulbs are compatible with various smart home ecosystems like Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Additionally, they can work with various other smart devices and platforms, enhancing convenience and functionality in your smart home setup, providing adjustable brightness and color temperature. We loved the fact that you can control your smart bulb via app or voice, creating ambiance. Energy-efficient LED technology works well, and the fact that you can get regular updates enhances the Philips Hue smart bulb's functionality. The catch? You need a Hue hub or Hue bridge, which is a communication hub that connects up to 50 Philips Hue smart bulbs and other devices such as plugs and switches to your Wi-Fi network, making this much pricier than your regular bulbs. But if you're serious about smart lighting, they're worth the investment. Once you have gotten past the price, we found that what users seem to like and appreciate most is the ability to customize lighting for different moods and occasions, enhancing their home experience. Remember, subscribe to the channel. We will always provide trustworthy reviews that are fresh and that discuss both pros and cons of each product. Also, hit the notification bell to get notifications. If you want a detailed review cheat sheet, go ahead and like this video, and in the comments section type 10 Smart Home Gadgets Review, and I will share. Next is the Anker PowerConf C200 webcam. With its 1080p HD resolution, it makes a great choice for clear video calls. We liked the built-in privacy shutter that keeps off nosy hackers and provides for complete control over your camera even when it is active. We also thought the AI-supported autofocus, wide angle, and plug-and-play connectivity features were quite useful during calls. When we tested it, we found that the video quality is surprisingly good for the price. Its compact and portable design made it versatile for professional and casual use. It was also quite easy to set up, with no additional software needed. We must say that the audio is limited, and an external mic is highly recommended. In addition, issues with image noise, particularly noticeable when there's a lot of movement, can lead to pixel overlapping. While it offers good image quality and features, some users may find advanced feature limitations in extreme lighting conditions compared to higher-end models. Most users, especially professional users, find the Anker PowerConf C200 webcam reliable for virtual meetings, with many noting that it exceeds expectations for its price. We have to say that the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender is powerful. Smoothies, soups, sauces, it handles everything with ease. Its features include a powerful 1,200 watt base, multiple preset programs, a humongous 72-ounce pitcher, and nutrient extraction capabilities. This blender has a powerful motor that allows you to blend like a pro. It's easy to use and clean, with great overall value for the power offered. However, the pitcher is quite bulky for storage, difficult to fit under some kitchen cabinets, and some users report that it can be loud, with noise levels being quite high during operation. Additionally, it lacks the ability to grind grains into flour, limiting its versatility for certain recipes. But for the power and price, it's hard to beat. Our health enthusiasts who enjoy the smoothies loved it. Additionally, many users praised its ability to blend tough ingredients effectively. Can you say goodbye to eye strain with the TaoTronics LED desk lamp? Touch controls for adjusting to different brightness and color modes, eye-caring design, a USB charging port, and an adjustable arm and head make it stylish with a modern design, useful for various home office tasks, and great for reducing eye strain. The cons? It is more expensive than basic lamps, and the touch controls can be a little inconsistent. It also does have limited color options compared to some of the similar models available, but if you spend a lot of time at your desk, your eyes will thank you. Its base size may be considered too small for stability by some users. Additionally, some find the brightness levels to be excessively intense, even on lower settings, making it uncomfortable for extended use. In fact, most of the users we talk to appreciate the adjustable brightness levels, particularly for long reading or work sessions. As one of the top 10 selling smart home products, we reviewed another robot vacuum option. The Ecovacs Deebot N79S robot vacuum. Features include 100-minute runtime, Wi-Fi connectivity, ability to remote control via app, and multi-surface cleaning abilities. Budget-friendly, with decent suction for the price. It is also quite lightweight and easy to empty when full. It can miss some spots, especially in larger areas, and the battery life isn't the best, as it can diminish over time. It also has fewer advanced features compared to premium models. But for the price, it's a great entry-level robot vacuum. The majority of the users express satisfaction with its cleaning capabilities, making it a solid choice for those new to robotic vacuums. Finally, we reviewed the TP-Link Casa Smart Wi-Fi plug. We loved this device, with features like voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, the ability to set schedules, timer functions, away mode for security, and its compact design. What's there not to love? It was super easy to set up. We were able to control any appliance from a phone, offers you the functionality to set schedules, monitor energy consumption, and even use voice control. And it is affordable. We did not like the fact that it requires Wi-Fi to work and is limited to the power rating of the plug. Also, if not responsibly managed, that is, regular password changes and firmware updates, it can be less secure, especially with issues around IoT security and vulnerabilities. It is a smart plug, offering a simple but effective way to make your home a little smarter. Users enjoy the convenience of controlling appliances from their smartphones, allowing for things like better energy management. For us at Know Before You Buy, it was not that easy to come up with a clear winner. After all, each smart home gadget had its benefits, many great reviews, and perspectives were as varied as we were. But after what seemed like an impossibly long discussion, we all agreed that the standout gadget was, drumroll please, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. It stood out because it not only serves as a smart speaker, but also a versatile tool for automating and managing daily tasks in the home. Its integration capabilities, affordability, and user-friendly functionalities make it a transformative gadget, paving the way for a smarter living experience. And when we asked many users, they found that once they introduced an Echo Dot into their home, it became an indispensable part of their daily routine. We also felt that we needed to share the gadget we considered the worst, based on selected criteria we had set. This was the Ecovacs Deebot N79S robot vacuum. Why? Mainly because of its limited features for the price. While it is budget-friendly, it lacks many advanced features found in higher-end models. Users reported that it sometimes misses spots, leading to inconsistent cleaning performance and poor battery performance. Even as we thought it did not perform well based on the lineup that we reviewed, user reviews were mixed. While some users appreciated its convenience, many reported disappointments with cleaning performance. They also often felt it did not deliver enough performance for the price compared to more expensive models. Users comparing it with other brands, like Roomba, frequently noted that it fell short in cleaning efficiency and smart features. At the beginning of this review, we promised to review 10 top-selling smart home gadgets and give you an unbiased view. Have we delivered? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Also, hit the notification bell to get notifications of fresh reviews. If you want a detailed handout of these smart home gadgets shared with you, like this video, and in the comments section type 10 smart home gadgets review, and I will share. Well, there you have it, the top 10 selling smart home gadgets review. Please don't forget to click on the links below this video to purchase any of the devices you might like. Oh, and tell us in the comments which other products you would like us to review. Thanks for watching.